everyone, I'm Jess and this is day number 2 of the Advent Calendar reveal. Let's have a look. Whoop. Okay, I've got to find number 2. Where are you? It's always the tricky bit, isn't it? Finding the window. So we've got number 2 down here. They pop open really easily. Let's have a look what we've got. All right, we've got a double love ring. So inside, it comes inside this little plastic bag, keeps it all safe for you. I'll tear into this. Okay, get rid of that. So here we have a double looped stretchy cock ring. The idea is one loop goes around the penis, the other goes around the balls. This can help you to last longer in bed. It can also engorge your penis a bit more than usual, and it can make you extra sensitive when it comes to climax. So great fun all round. Come back tomorrow for window number 3.